Are you struggling to run Proguard on a multi-module project as one piece? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common challenge faced by many developers and showing you how to tackle it effectively. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to obfuscate your code but can't find a straightforward solution. Many developers have faced similar issues, especially when dealing with complex project structures. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked how to pass Proguard mapping to the Java compiler to compile against an obfuscated library. They have an Android Studio project with multiple library modules, and they want to obfuscate everything together while keeping public APIs exposed. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The user is facing challenges with the Gradle configuration, as a custom build system seems necessary to compile all submodules together and obfuscate them in one go. Let's break this down and find a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful tip that can streamline your build process and save you a lot of time. To begin solving this issue, the user should first ensure that all submodules are compiled together. This can be achieved by modifying the Gradle build configuration to include all necessary modules in a single compilation step. Next, the user needs to configure Proguard to obfuscate all the modules together. This involves setting up a Proguard configuration file that specifies which classes to keep and which to obfuscate. After setting up Proguard, the user should run the build process. This will compile the modules, apply obfuscation, and package them into separate AAR files. Finally, the user should verify that the Proguard mapping file is generated correctly. This file is essential for debugging and ensuring that the obfuscation process worked as intended. Fun fact, did you know that Proguard was originally created to help developers protect their code from reverse engineering? It's a powerful tool that can save you from unwanted exposure. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to running Proguard on a multi-module project involves using Gradle effectively. You have two main options. First, you can run Proguard for each library independently by enabling minification in each module. This means setting minify enabled to true and specifying your Proguard file. Second, you can run Proguard only in your app module. In this case, you would set minify enabled to false in the library modules and use consumer Proguard files to pass the Proguard file from each library to the main module. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution comes from a user who faced the same issue. They suggest using the Maven Publish Gradle plugin. This plugin helps package your library modules into AAR files while managing dependencies effectively. You can configure this plugin to enable Proguard obfuscation for a specific build type, allowing you to obfuscate all submodules together while still distributing them separately. Here's that powerful tip I promised. Consider using a build tool like Gradle's build-src to manage your build logic. This can help simplify your configuration and make it easier to maintain. And there you have it. You should now be able to run Proguard on your multi-module project as one piece. Remember, a well-structured build process can save you a lot of headaches. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.